New construction. Just the right size west/single level living. No steps. 1,707 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 9 FT ceilings, open floor plan with dining area, kitchen west/island and living room flowing to outside covered patio, kitchen west/island, granite centers, stainless steel appliances, laundry room west/barn door and room for extra refrigerator/freezer, gas fireplace, LVP flooring throughout, maintenance-free exterior west/stone on front porch, large covered front porch, 0.55 acre level lot. Scheduled to be completed within 60 days. Public water west/Western VA Water Authority and private 3-bedroom septic conveniently located half mile from Crazy Horse Marina for lake access and BOATSLIP rental if available.